So now come to question number 12. Exercise 2, phase 1, mathematics, step 9. So 2 lines are given. I'm writing in standard form. Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus m x1 plus a under root 1 plus m square y1. Also I can transfer that side. So in better simple form I will write y1 also I will transfer. So this equation I can write as y is equal to one equation. Y is equal to mx minus mx1 plus y1 plus a under root 1 plus m square, and another equation will be y is equal to mx minus mx1 plus y1 minus a under root 1 plus m square. So you can see both are parallel lines. The straight lines are tangent to same circle. When tangent line will be parallel, tangent line will be parallel. So suppose this is one line and the parallel line is tangent, definitely it must be diametrically opposite. So what will be distance between the parallel lines if they are tangent to the same circle? Diameter equal to it. So if this is r, this also must be r. Then radius of. So I will find distance between the lines. So y is equal to mx plus c. So this is the c1. c1 is equal to minus mx1 plus y1 plus a under root 1 plus m square, and c2 is equal to minus mx1 plus y1 minus a under root 1 plus m square. Then what is the formula for distance between two parallel lines? c1 minus c2 upon under root of a square plus b square. This is equal to 2r here, distance parallel lines. So put subtract, when you are subtracting, this will cancel. So you will get 2a under root 1 plus m square upon under root of coefficient of x square is m square plus 1. So this will cancel. So this is equal to 2a. Coefficient of x square plus coefficient of y square. Coefficient of x square is m. Coefficient of y square is minus 1. So it will be 2a. So r is how much? R is equal to a. So r will be equal to a. So option number B is correct. So with this we complete this question. Thank you.